शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान हायत रहम करने वाला है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में जो है TGT BPS 16 FPAC के थ्रू जो सीट्स आई हुई हैं उनकी टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन चल रही है और जो है पार्ट 2 जो है वो मैं बना चुका हूँ, जिसमें कंप्यूटर का जो सिलेबस है ये हमने एक वीडियो बना ली है। इसमें सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स जो है मैंने वीडियो में बता दिए हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs बता दिए हैं। ठीक है, अब जो है पार्ट 3 जो है ये शुरू कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, और पार्ट 3 में एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी है, इसको हम देखेंगे। इसके मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट और रिपीटेड मल्टीपल चॉइसेस है वो हम देखने वाले हैं। ले जनाब अली, ये है एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी के जो है इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। और मैं आप ये सॉल्व करने से पहले मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी के जो है टोटली जो है सब्जेक्ट के जितने भी मल्टीपल चॉइस हैं उसकी मैंने एक अलहदा से वीडियो बनाई हुई है। उसका लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने डाला हुआ है, तो आप वहाँ से जाके वो आप सारे जो है कंटेंट वाइज जो है वो सारे के सारे जो है प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं। तो चलते हैं इसकी तरफ। पहला मल्टीपल चॉइस है, क्लासिकल कंडीशन वाज प्रेजेंटेड बाय होम। किसने मतलब कि क्लासिकल कंडीशंस प्रेजेंट की? पेवलोव ने की। और इसके बाद विच मेथड इज़ यूज टू स्टडी बिहेवियर और इवेंट। ऑब्जर्वेशन मेथड जो है ये यूज़ किया जाता है। इसके बाद जो है हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ बिहेवियरिज्म। बिहेवियरिज्म का जो फाउंडर है वो है JB वाटसन। फिर उसके बाद है बिहेवियरिज्म इज़ अ सिस्टमेटिक अप्रोच टू अंडरस्टैंड द बिहेवियर ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड इन एनिमल। ये बोथ इसका आंसर है A and B। इसके बाद है इन विच मेथड वी स्टडी द स्टेप बाय स्टेप ग्रोथ ऑफ अ चाइल्ड। कौन सा मेथड यूज़ करते हैं? डेवलपमेंट का मेथड यूज़ करते हैं। कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट डील्स विद। कॉग्निटिव जो डेवलपमेंट है ये डील करती है किसको? बॉडी पार्ट्स, ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट को ये करती है, ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट को। द मोस्ट वेल नाउन एज इन्फ्लुएंशियल थ्योरी ऑफ कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट वाज प्रेजेंटेड बाय। किसने इन्फ्लुएंशियल थ्योरी जो है कॉग्निटिव के बारे में वो जीन्स पियाजेट ने की थी। अकॉर्डिंग टू पियाजेट कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट अकर्स हाउ मैनी यूनिवर्सल स्टेजेस। कितनी स्टेजेस पर मुश्तमिल होती है? 4 स्टेजेस पर मुश्तमिल होती है। कॉग्निटिव मीन्स क्या है? कॉग्निटिव मीन्स है एक्ट ऑफ नाउइंग एंड परसीविंग। इसके बाद है विच थिंग ब्रिंग द परमानेंट चेंज इन द बिहेवियर एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। क्या है? लर्निंग है। इसका करेक्ट आंसर B है, लर्निंग। ओके, तो ये थे हमारे पास एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी के जो है मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट और रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन जो हैं पेपर के अंदर आते हैं। तो अब जनाब अली हम देखेंगे इंस्ट्रक्शनल प्लानिंग एंड टीचिंग इन द प्लानिंग, और इसके साथ जो है क्लासरूम मैनेजमेंट डिसिप्लिन भी देखेंगे। तो चलते हैं इस मटेरियल की तरफ। तो फ्रेंड्स, ये है इंस्ट्रक्शनल प्लानिंग स्ट्रेटजीज लर्निंग इन्वायरमेंट के बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस, जिसमें MCQ सेट 1 है। द एम ऑफ एजुकेशन शुड बी, इसमें जो है टू प्रिपेयर स्टूडेंट्स फॉर प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ। D ऑप्शन करेक्ट है। अ टीचर कैन मोटिवेट द स्टूडेंट बाय गिविंग सूटेबल प्राइज, गिविंग प्रॉपर गाइडेंस, डिलीवरिंग स्पीच इन क्लास। गिविंग प्रॉपर ऑप्शन B इसका करेक्ट आंसर है। नेक्स्ट, इफ़ अ स्टूडेंट डज नॉट पे एनी रिस्पेक्ट टू योर टीचर देन यू विल बी, इसका इग्नोर हिम। ऑप्शन जो है C है, ये करेक्ट आंसर है। इसके बाद है द बेस्ट मेथड ऑफ चेकिंग स्टूडेंट्स होमवर्क इज़। तो कौन सा बेस्ट मेथड है? ये 4 ऑप्शंस हैं। तो ऑप्शन नंबर C जो करेक्ट है, टू चेक द टीचर हिमसेल्फ इन अ रेगुलर वे। रेगुलर वे से करें। द एम ऑफ नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर टीचर एजुकेशन इज़, इसका जो टू ओपन, इसका ऑप्शन A है, टू मेंटेन स्टैंडर्ड इन कॉलेजेस ऑफ एजुकेशन। किंगस्टन सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन वाज कंट्रीब्यूटेड बाय द, ऑप्शन B है, फॉरबेल। ऐसे टाइप टेस्ट आर नॉट रिलायबल बिकॉज देयर चेकिंग अफेक्टेड द एग्जामिनर मूड। ऑप्शन D इज़ द करेक्ट वन है। द सक्सेस ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड एजुकेशन डिपेंड्स ऑन द सक्सेस ऑफ, ये द एक्सीलेंस ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक्स, द एक्सीलेंस ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक। तो क्वालिटी ऑफ स्कूल एजुकेशन इज़ एक्सक्लूसिवली डिपेंडिंग ऑन द क्वालिटी ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन। टू मेंटेन इंटरेस्ट अमंग स्टूडेंट्स इन क्लास, अ टीचर शुड ask question from students, option B is the correct answer. Most important task of teacher is to organize teaching work. A teacher should be all of the above. Environmental education should be taught in school because it is important part of our daily life. The sign of ideal teacher is a friend, philosopher and guide. At primary level, it is better to teach in mother language because it helps children in learning in natural atmosphere. Women are better teachers at primary level because they behave more patiently with children. OBE is known as, option D is the correct. What is the most important while writing on blackboard? Good writing is the correct answer. Okay, so a time bound testing program for a student should be implemented in school so that the students can be trained for final examination. Option B is the correct answer. A student comes late in your class, then you will try to know the reason. The success of a good teacher is good traits of his personality. Option D. How the students should be motivated to get success in life. Motivated, option intensive study. The most important trait of a student is obedience. The purpose of basic education scheme is to fulfill basic need to persons through education. You are teaching a topic in class, a student asks a question irrelevant to topic, what will you do? ऑप्शन डी, यू विल आंसर द क्वेश्चन आफ्टर द क्लास. ये मल्टीपल चॉइस जो है ये मैंने कंप्यूटर इंस्ट्रक्टर का टेस्ट दिया था उसमें आया था. सो ये जो है सेकंड सेट है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ एन अप्रोच टू एजुकेशनल प्लानिंग. आई थिंक बोथ ए एंड बी है. बिल्कुल सोशल डिमांड और ये दोनों है. इंस्टीट्यूशनल प्लानिंग शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन टाइम टेबल, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, एम एंड नीड्स. ऑप्शन सी इज़ द क्लियर. In which of the following instructional procedure is the main component? Option B, basic teaching model. Which of the following expectation students have from group learning? Option B, attract isolated student towards the group. To attract isolated students towards the group. Option. In order to modify the undesirable behavior of a student, the most effective method is to find out the reason for undesirable behavior and provides remedies. Man is born free, but everywhere he is in chain. The statement has been by the, option A, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Which of the following is not a principle of good timetable or ruthless master? The reason of absence and escape from school of student is absence. All of these, option D is the correct. Which of the following aspect is discussed in teacher's diary? Teaching content, teaching timetable, all of these, option D is the correct. In teaching experience, member guide the immature ones for, option D, adjustment of life. Which is not the focal point of triangular process teaching method? Option D is the correct. The goal of teaching is to involve people's activity to part to give them to import desirable change in behavior. Option D is the correct answer. The rules of presenting the student contents to make them easy are called. The rule of presenting the contents to make them easy are called maxim of teaching. SOLO stands for structure of observed learning outcomes. Option B is the correct. With reference to SOLO taxonomy, one aspect of task is learned. Task is understand in unistructure level. Option A. A program of activity which is designed to attain educational ends is called curriculum. Option C is the correct. The level of school administration can best be judged through learning outcomes. Option C. Coordinating, stimulating, directing the growth of teacher is a purpose of inspection. Option B. What is the most important element of non-formal education? Media. C. The sum of curricular and curriculum is called the curriculum. Pedagogy is concerned with the aims, content या teaching method. Option C. Teaching method is the correct answer. In educational process, which one is evaluated? In educational process, which one is evaluated? All of above. Option D. The number of domains in taxonomy. Educational objective is 3. Option B. Which domain is concerned with physical and motor skills? Cognitive domain. Option A. Psychomotor domain. Teacher perform practically and explains in dash demonstration method. Option C. अब जो है इसके सेट 3 को देखते हैं. सेट 3 में जो है the education you have obtained so far, option B, has been useful and valuable. Good education is highly helpful. Your education is successful if, option A, it gives you self-satisfaction. It gives you self-satisfaction. Education provides the greatest help. Option D, in the integrated development of boys' personality. Integrated development of boys' personality. For the effective and successful teaching, the most necessary thing is, इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है बी है, टू यूज़ लिटरेचर लैंग्वेज एज मच एज पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट है द टीचिंग इम्पार्टेड डाउनलोड टू स्टूडेंट्स कैन इफेक्टिव इट. Option C, the teaching is given according to the mental level of the student. Before starting new lesson, the old one should be repeatable because the new lesson is easily understood if it is related to the previous one. In making good education a thing of heard greatly helpful is, option C, national language. The proper system for education is B, semester system. The curriculum can be made more useful by Pakistani cultural knowledge. Pakistan's cultural knowledge. For all round development of boys, the necessary thing is, option B, religious education. The meaning of the integrated development personality is that there should be such adjustment of knowledge, thinking of activities person as may lead to the successful performance. The aim of guidance service in education and job seeking is to create the insight and understanding in the person in such a way that he may himself take decision. After a lesson has been completed, finish, the important things on the part of teacher is, To summarize the main points of the lesson, the teacher's job is to teach the subject efficiently and also to find out the students are understanding what he is teaching. Okay, to evaluate whether his teaching is effective, the teacher should in the mid of his put relevant questions. If the subject someone dry taxing and thought engaging, the teacher should explain the subject with pleasing and practical examples and make it interesting to students. In classroom, students are of different mental levels and capacities, and teachers functions to have sympathetic attitudes towards all. The most important quality of successful teacher is that he should feel delight in teaching. The essential element for discipline in classroom is the ideal and scholarly personality of the teacher. The ideal and scholarly personality of teacher. Okay, in order to maintain discipline, the essential thing is option C, the follow midway between rigid restriction and complete license. For the successful language teaching, the most important thing is to create linguistic environment at homes and the schools. The most honest psychological function of teacher is that he should create faith in unity of all life. Unity of all life. The truest education of the boy is that which creates global attitude. Being a teacher, you want to write a book on the subject you teach. You will फॉलो ऑल द 3 स्टेप्स, ये ऊपर वाले जो हैं. अब इसका जो सेट 4 है वो देख लेते हैं. सेट 4 में जो है, when the student try to solve the questions in same or different ways as taught by the teacher from prescribed books, then the student should be encouraged to consult some other books and the subject. The experienced teacher do not require the detailed lesson plan of topic because they can equip themselves with brief outline as they gain specialization in it through experience. The problem of dropout, in which students leave their schooling in early years, can be tackled in a better way through option B, encouragement of students. A teacher can develop social values among students by behaving ideally. A teacher asks the question in the class to attract students' attention. The most important indicator of quality of education in school is student achievement level. The best remedy of a student's problem related with learning is remedy. Option B, diagnostic teaching. When the students failed, it can be understood that the individual student's failure. It is advantage of giving homework that students may develop habit of self-study. The essential element of the syllabus for children remained out of school is vocational competencies. The priority to girls' education should be given because the girls are most only girls. Option C is the correct. The purpose of new education policy in Pakistan. Option D, to raise the standard of education in Pakistan, it is necessary to evaluate student continuously. Option A is the correct. What is the most important for a good teacher? To remove difficulty of students. Why students should play games in schools? It develops cooperation and physical balance. The in-service teacher training can be made more effective by practicing training follow-up procedure. A teacher has serious defeat if has immature mental development. Option A is the correct. The classification of cognitive domain was presented by option D, S. Bloms. Cognitive domain has 6 subgroups. The lowest level of learning in cognitive domain is C, knowledge. To grasp the meaning of the material is comprehension. To break down material into component parts is called analysis. To put ideas together from a new whole is option C, synthesis is the correct answer. To know the worth or value of material is option A, evaluation. ये 5वां सेट करते हैं. When the students try to solve question in some different ways thought, ये हमारा हो चुका है सक्सेसफुली अभी. तो आई थिंक सो ये जो है इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं आपकी, इसको आप लोगों ने देख लेना है अच्छे से. अब आते हैं ज़रा क्लासरूम मैनेजमेंट की तरफ. क्लासरूम मैनेजमेंट एंड डिसिप्लिन, इंपॉर्टेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस हैं ये. सबसे पहले द मेन पर्पस ऑफ द सुपरविजन ऑफ टीचिंग शुड बी एडवांसमेंट ऑफ पीपल वेलफेयर. पर्पस ऑफ सुपरविजन, एडवांसमेंट ऑफ पीपल वेलफेयर. सुपरविजन शुड बी प्राइमरीली option C, constructive and creative. Supervision could be primarily option C, constructive and creative. Okay, the basic purpose of supervision is to help children learn more effectively. The elementary school teacher are directly responsible to headmaster. The criticism most frequently leveled at school administration is that the fail to provide leadership. The school headmasters are expected to put into operation the course of study. A supervisor is one who provide friendly help. The effective supervision is indicated by helping teachers becoming more self-sufficient. The effective supervision is indicated by helping teachers becoming more self-sufficient. Option C is the correct answer. The school policy should be determined by citizens and educators. The chief responsibility of the principal is option B, provide leadership in instructional plan. Indication of democratic attitude is all of the above. The history of administration goes back to 5000 BC. Administration means to look after. The function of educational administration and management is both instructional and non-instructional both. Provision of good educational environment is option A, instructional task. Provision of good educational environment is instructional task. Arrangement of physical resources is non-instructional task. The main type of administrations are 3, which is not the type of administration. इसमें से instructional administration, which is not the characteristic of authoritative sharing. Authoritative administration is based on option A, dictatorship. Democratic administration is based on mutual sharing. Laziness fair administration is based on non-interference. Boss is right is the feature of authoritarian administration. Respect of opinion is the feature of bureaucratic administration. Sense of responsibility is not carried in. Laziness, fair administration. Literal meaning of supervision is superior knowledge and power. Supervision is not to control the teacher but to work cooperatively is the saying of option B, Hoy and Faucist. In teaching learning process, supervision is usually carried out by principal. Assessment of how well a school is performing is option C, inspection. According to Fayol, elements of administrations are 5. According to Willick, elements of administration are A, 7. Co stands for C, coordinating. To make arrangement is the part of organizing. Execution of plans and decision is the part of option C, commanding. To bring harmony among all the students, elements of the program is coordinating. Execution of plans and decision is the part of commanding. The bring harmony among all the elements of program is coordinating. School budget includes both A and B, development expenditure and non-development expenditure. DM stands for budget manual. Non-development budget includes all of the above. New libraries, laboratories are constructed under development budget. Leadership is the ability to influence, motivate all. Option D. Staff development means training staff. Option B, training the staff. Selecting one course of action among various alternatives is decision making. Okay. Who is called father of scientific management theory? Frederick Taylor. Who is the father of operational management theory? Henry Fayol. All government grants and expenditure are maintained in cash register. In case of GPF advance, the number of installments for refunding is 24. Developing alternative is a step of planning. How funds in a given period will be obtained and spent is budget. Types of supervision encouraging variety and originality, independent, creative. Who advocated bureaucratic theory? Max Weber. Directing must be consistent with all of these. In case of new recruitment, the probation period is 3 years. The power delegated throughout an organization is decentralized. The individual in the group given the task of directing and coordinating superior. A choice made between two or more alternatives is called decision. The cash book is maintained by A. DDO. Authoritarian model is more suitable for discipline. Teacher salaries and allowances collectively are written in cash register. To motivate the other to achieve certain goals is leading. बाकी ये मैं ऐसे ही आप लोगों के साथ दिखा देता हूँ आपको, आप खुद इसको रीड कर लीजिएगा। हाँ तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थे स्कूल एंड क्लासरूम मैनेजमेंट की मल्टीपल चॉइस। अब जो है हम चलते हैं लास्ट वाला टॉपिक बच गया एजुकेशनल गाइडेंस एंड काउंसलिंग का, और हमारा जो है यहाँ तक जो है वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है। नेक्स्ट जो है अब हम एजुकेशनल गाइडेंस एंड काउंसलिंग जो है इसके मल्टीपल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जो एग्ज़ाम में आने वाले क्वेश्चंस हैं वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। लें जी, ये है इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एजुकेशनल गाइडेंस एंड काउंसलिंग के। तो सबसे पहला जो है गाइडेंस रेफर्स टू एन एडवाइस प्रोवाइडेड बाय सुपीरियर टू रिजॉल्व प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है। ऑप्शन ए जो है ये करेक्ट इसका आंसर है, यानी कि एन एडवाइस प्रोवाइडेड बाय सुपीरियर टू रिजॉल्व प्रॉब्लम। काउंसलिंग रेफर्स टू अ प्रोफेशनल एडवाइस बाय काउंसलर। ऑप्शन ए इसका भी करेक्ट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द टाइप ऑफ काउंसलिंग? कौन सी? ऑल ऑफ द above आर टाइप्स ऑफ काउंसलिंग। ये ऑप्शन इसका करेक्ट है। व्हाट डज अ स्कूल काउंसलर डू? helping students to their academic goals, personal development and career development. All of these. Option D is the correct. Guidance is a process of to give advice to the child. Option A is the correct answer. In probing or questioning from the counselor enables what to help student to move forward in helping process. Option A is the best. द मेन एम ऑफ एजुकेशनल गाइडेंस इज pupil development. A school counselor works in primary, middle and high school. Okay. Main objective of educational guidance is to bring what change in the pupil. Responsibility of self-direction. Option B is the correct. Name of the person who is credited with guidance movement. फ्रैंक पर्सन्स. ऑप्शन सी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे हमारे पास ये कंप्लीट पार्ट 3 का सिलेबस था टीजीटी के लिए, जो कि अभी हमने देखा. और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जो भी इसे पढ़ने की कोशिश करेगा इंशाल्लाह ताला उसके टेस्ट जो है उसको बिल्कुल आसानी हो जाएगी प्रोफेशनल टेस्ट को सॉल्व करने की. मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त और ये दोस्तों से शेयर कीजिए. और 3 मैजिकल चीज़ें करना मत भूलिए. शेयर करें, लाइक करें और कमेंट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. जज़ाकल्लाह.